left a mark on my face. Design my inner night with soft embrace.